To change add lighting effect in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the home screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Select display, brightness, blue light filter, home screen. Scroll down and find add screen. Tap add screen. Change the add panel or add lighting settings. Tap add lighting. And then tap lighting style. On effects, select effect you want. Basic, wave, bubble, multicolor, heart, firework, eclipse, or echo. And then tap done. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.